Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Montgomery County and central Maryland, central Loudoun County in northern Virginia until 7 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Oatlands, or near Leesburg, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Leesburg, Broadlands, Lansdowne, Brambleton, Poolsville, Ashburn, Sterling, Countryside, Oatlands, Belmont, Hamilton, Paonian Springs, Gleadsville, Aldie, Sterling Park, Lincoln, and Hughesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the